Once again, lovely good morning students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School. Students, today we are going to start with our unit 3. In that we are going to see one poem that is Run and a chapter that is Nasruddin's Aim. So today we are going to start with a poem that is Run. Read and enjoy this poem. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each other little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. So this is our poem, Run. So now we will see what the poet tries to tell us. Now what is run? Run का meaning क्या होता है? भागना. Away from the city and into the sun. Poet क्या कहता है? He says that away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. कहाँ रन करने के लिए बोलता है? Away from the city means city से बाहर and into the sun. Into the sun means into the sun के अंदर नहीं. Means we have to see the nature, the beautiful sun of the nature. We have to run towards it. Out of the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the tree. Means जब raindrops होते you have to run and during that time. Then when you will run beneath the trees. You will run little races. Means आपको थोड़ी रेस भी करनी है, right? आप रेस करते हो तभी भी आप भागते हो. With each little breeze. Means जब भागते हो तब जो हवा का झोंका आता है उसके साथ भी आपको भागना है, right? Run down the hillsides, run up the lane. Hillsides जहाँ होती है, जहाँ पे पहाड़ होते हैं या फिर लेन होती है, मीन्स झरने होते हैं, नदी होती है, लेक होती है, लेन छोटे छोटे रास्ते होते हैं. हर जगह पे जहाँ पे नेचर है वहाँ पे क्या करो आप? रन करो. देन जस्ट रन, रन एंड रन, राइट? Run and be merry all through the day. Run and be merry means you have to be happy, you have to be wise, calm, right? You have to be happy all through the day. And run to the country, away, away. Means you have to run towards the country, away and away, right? In this poem, poets want to tell us that we should accept our nature, we should run towards it, we should hold it, right? हमें नेचर की ओर जाना चाहिए, बढ़ना चाहिए, right? So वो कहाँ कहाँ बोलता है? To the sun, raindrops, trees, breeze, hillside, lane, everything. This all things are related to nature, right, students? Once again, we'll go through our poem. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. Okay, students. Now we will see the new words. Raindrops, neath, that is beneath. मतलब नीचे उसके. Breeze, hillside, meadow, and merry. See, students. Now here is the image. See how these students are running. They are very happy. They are very happy without any tension, free of mind, right? Okay, students. Now this is exercise. You have to write this exercise. What does the poem tell us to do? You have to mention the things. What does the poem tell us to do? And we have to write about the places where the poet wants us to run. Means वो कहाँ चाहता है कि हम भागे, वो यहाँ पे हमें वो places लिखनी है, right? Now say aloud. You have to loudly say the spellings beneath. Say loudly beneath. Now next is breeze. Say loudly breeze. Then meet. Say loudly meet. Next is fear. Say loudly fear. Next is each. Say loudly each. And the last word is meadow. You have to again pronounce after me. Say meadow. Right? Now let's spell. Some letters are missing in each word. Write double E or EA in each word. See students, यहाँ पे नीचे words दिए है, right? वो उनके बीच में स्पेस है, उन दो स्पेसेस के जगह पे डबल ई या EA लगाना है, राइट? पहला वर्ड क्या है? TR डैश डैश S. तो कौन सा वर्ड आएगा? TREES. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा वर्ड बना? ट्रीज. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है PL डैश डैश SE. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? PLEASE. विच वर्ड वी फाउंड? प्लीज. सिमिलरली आपको दूसरे वर्ड्स भी करने हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव डन.